Side planks are great for the core. Let's start by getting the shoulder blades right.
Open it up, yes, and lift it and nice.
Beautiful. In this video, we'll show you how to do variations and tell you what they're good for. Simply maintaining good form is already challenging, but when we introduce movement, we increase the difficulty and the benefit. He's perfectly stable as he moves his arm. Now watch him drop his hip. This is intentional. He's coming in and out of a C curve down. So the side of the hips, the glute min and medius, are part of the core too. This time he's going to take the hip up even higher, yes. And then back to stabilizing and neutral. Now from the front, because he's got a great smile, we'll show the variations here. Basic, hip lift, higher, in and out of the position with perfect form. Remember to set your shoulder blades away from your ears, strong and not dished.
Open it up, yes, and lift it and nice.
He's squinting because the sun is so bright. But when you're ready to progress, see us in the next video for more challenging versions of the side plank. And we film forward plank tutorials also.